Hello friends, welcome to the next module of Bug Bounty Hunting program. In this module, we will learn about one of the prominent and fundamental software that is used by bug hunters and ethical hackers. This tool helps in expediting the process of hacking and penetration testing. So let's see what this tool is all about. Burp Suite is a Java-based web penetration testing framework. It has become an industry standard suite of tools used by information security professionals, ethical hackers, and bug hunters. Burp Suite helps you identify vulnerabilities and verify attack vectors that are affecting web applications. Burp Suite has numerous features and there has many tools for performing different testing tasks. For example, first is Burp Target tool. It contains detailed information about your target application and lets you drive the process of testing for vulnerabilities. One of the best tools that we will be using in this tutorial is Burp Proxy. That is, it is an intercepting web proxy that operates as a man in the middle between the end browser and the target web application. It lets you intercept, inspect, and modify the raw traffic passing in both directions. We will also be using Burp Spider. This tool is extremely helpful in case of finding XSS vulnerability and also known as cross-site scripting vulnerability. It is an intelligent application-aware web spider that can crawl an application to locate its content and functionality. Then we have Burp Scanner. This is also an advanced web vulnerability scanner which can automatically discover numerous types of vulnerability. Burp Scanner basically scans the whole website for the possible vulnerabilities. Then comes the Burp Intruder. It is also a powerful tool for carrying out automated customized attacks against web applications. It is highly configurable and can be used to perform a wide range of tasks to make your testing faster and more effective. We will be using this tool for finding many vulnerabilities later in this section. Likewise, we have repeater, sequencer, and decoder.
Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of this program. In this tutorial we will talk about how to download Burp Suite and how we can configure it with our browser. So open the Google Chrome and type Burp Suite Community Edition, which is the free version. Okay, open this first link and over here you will see the download option. You can download the Burp Suite according to your operating system. So as I am using Windows 10 64 bits, so I will download this. Though for this video I have already downloaded the software and installed it. So the installation process is normal like we do in other softwares. After installation, open the Burp Suite Community Edition, use temporary project and hit next. Then use Burp defaults and start Burp. So this is the user interface of Burp Suite. Over here currently it's running on port 8080 and on IP 127.0.0.1. So now let's configure this Burp Suite with our browser. We will be using Firefox for configuration. Now open Firefox. Now first of all, go to Proxy, turn off the intercept, then Options. Over here, edit this part and let's use a specific address. Let's use 172.16.64.1 with port number 8080 and hit OK. Just remember this IP as we will be using this IP in our Firefox to configure it. Now go to Firefox, Settings, then Options, then Settings. Over here we will use manual proxy configuration. The port is 8080. Now our IP is 172.16.64.1. Let's write it over here and click OK. So the reason we did that, because if we are searching something in Firefox, then we need to intercept the request and for interception of the request we have to put the IP address which we are using in our Burp Suite. Now let's search Google, and before that let's turn on our intercept. Let's search google.com, and before that let's go to Burp Suite and turn on our intercept. Now hit enter. So over here you can see that our Burp Suite window popped up and it is showing the request http google.com. As our intercept is on, so it has captured this request. So we can take actions. For example, we can send it to intruder, to repeater, sequencer, comparer, decoder, etc. And we can forward this request. Though you will be learning more about Burp Suite in our upcoming video, as we will be using Burp Suite to intercept and capture our request. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this tutorial.